Hello children, today we are going to look into chapter 12, areas related to circles, exercise 12.1, question number 1. The given question is, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So here we are given the radius, that is the radii of two circles. The radii of two circles is given. This is circle number 1 and the radius of this circle is given 19 centimeters. And one more circle whose radius is 9 centimeters is given. And we are asked to find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. So here you can see this is a circle whose radius is 19 centimeters and this is another circle whose radius is 9 centimeters. We are asked to find a circle whose radius, we are asked to find the radius of this circle whose circumference, the circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. So you have to find the circumference. Here you have to find the circumference of the given two circles by using the radius 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Here the radius of the circle is 19 centimeters and this is 9 centimeters. So we have to find the circumference of these two circles with a given radius. Now after finding the circumference of these two circles, we have to find the radius of this third circle whose circumference is equal. Here this is the circumference, right? So this circumference will be equal to the circumference of first circle and second circle circumference. So here you are going to find circumference of second circle. So you have to find the radius of the third circle. You have to find the radius of the third circle and the given clue is the circumference will be equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. So we need to find the circumference of the first circle and the circumference of the second circle. Then we have to add the sum, because this radius we have to find, right? And the circumference of this circle is equal to the sum of these two circumferences. So you need to find the circumference of two circles with the given radius, and then after that we have to find the radius of this third circle. So let us find now. Now what is given here? What is given? Radius. What is given? Radius. Let us take R1. Let us take it as R1 of first circle is equal to 19 centimeter. Now the radius of the second circle, let us take it as R2 of second circle is equal to 9 centimeter. Now let the radius of third circle be R. So first let us find the circumference of the first circle. What is the formula to find the circumference? Yes, 2 pi r equal to 2 into pi into, what is the radius of the first circle? 19 centimeter. So this is equal to 2 into 19, 38. Let us write pi. So 38 pi. Now let us find the circumference of the second circle. Circumference of the second circle. Already we know the formula to find the circumference, 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into what is the radius given? 9 centimeter. So it is 18 pi. Now what we have to find? We have to find the sum of these two circumferences, because the sum of the two circumferences will be equal to the circumference of the third circle, isn't it? So now what is the formula to find the circumference? We know. Now we are going to find the circumference of third circle. Here we don't know the radius, so let us write 2 pi r, because the formula to find the circumference is 2 pi r. But what is given? What is given? Circumference of the third circle is equal to circumference of first plus circumference of second circle. What is the circumference of first circle? We got 38 pi plus 18 pi, which is equal to 56 pi. So now we got the circumference of the third circle, isn't it? So 2 pi r is equal to 56 pi. Now r is equal to 56 pi by 2 pi. Now pi and pi gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 28 is 56. Therefore r is equal to 28 centimeter. So the radius of the third circle is 28 centimeters. Thank you.